Let me ask you something real quick. When was the last time you ignored a message from someone you care about because you were busy chasing something? Grades, money, followers, a new phone. Yeah, I've been there too. And I learned this lesson the hard way. Love people, not things. Use things, not people. Most of us are doing the exact opposite, and it's silently draining us. Let's talk about it. Back in school, I thought success meant more. More marks, more achievements, more validation. I used people as stepping stones. Group projects, only talked when I needed help. Friends, ignored when they weren't useful. Family, I'll talk later, I'm busy. And when I finally got what I wanted, I felt empty. That's when it hit me. Things never hug you back. They never check on you. They never care. People do. Here's the problem with our generation. We treat people like tools and treat tools like treasures. We use people for notes, connections, clout, but we love our gadgets, our status, our comfort, and slowly, our relationships die. Our mental health drops. Burnout kicks in. You can have everything and still feel alone. Think about it. You reply faster to notifications than to your parents. You cancel plans with friends for productivity, but scroll Instagram for 2 hours. You say, I'll rest after exams. I'll talk after this deadline. I'll be happy after success. But life doesn't wait. People don't wait either. And here's the scary part. Most people realize this only after losing someone. Don't be that person. Let me give you 3 simple shifts that changed everything for me. Step 1. Use things intentionally. Your phone is a tool. Your laptop is a tool. Your money is a tool. Ask yourself, is this serving my life or stealing it? Set limits. Turn off useless notifications. Stop letting objects control your emotions. You own things. They don't own you. Step 2. Love people deliberately. Love isn't just a feeling. It's attention. Listen without checking your phone. Text back, even when you're tired. Say thank you. Say, I appreciate you. Small actions. Big impact. One honest conversation can do more than 1,000 likes. Step 3. Stop using people for convenience. If you only talk to someone when you need something, check yourself. Real connections aren't transactional. Help without expecting return. Be kind when it's inconvenient. Support even when it doesn't benefit you. That's real strength. That's real maturity. Here's the truth. No one tells you. Your grades won't sit next to you when you're exhausted. Your money won't comfort you when you feel lost. Your achievements won't remind you who you are. People will. Your friend, your sibling, your parents, your future partner. Protect those relationships. They're priceless. Success feels good, but success with people feels meaningful. Big difference. So remember this. Love people. Use things, not the other way around. Tonight, try this. Put your phone down. Message one person you've been ignoring. Say something real. Let's not be successful, but lonely. Let's be productive and human. We're leveling up together. One mindset at a time.